Alright, imagine this. You've just lost an important chat, maybe a voice message you needed, or a whole conversation vanished. No software installs, no dodgy downloads. How do those ethical hackers out there actually get those messages back? Let's break it down like a pro. Now, first thing, when you delete a chat, it's not always gone forever. Most messaging apps, like WhatsApp or Messenger, save temporary backups on the cloud or your device. The trick? Accessing those backups before they're overwritten. Ethical hackers start by checking if cloud backups are enabled on the target's account. For example, with WhatsApp, there's Google Drive or iCloud. If you've got permission, you can use account credentials to download the cloud backup. Sometimes just logging in from another device does the trick. Restore that backup, and boom, old messages reappear. But what about chats that never made it to a backup? Here's where things get clever. Devices, especially Androids, often store deleted data in hidden folders. Even after you delete something, the info lingers until the device needs that storage space again. Ethical hackers use File Explorer tools, pre-installed mind you, nothing to download, to hunt for these ghost files. Also, don't forget notifications. Notification logs can reveal message previews, even if chats are wiped. On Android, you can access this through the built-in settings. Go to Settings, doubtless Notification Log, and you might see those deleted messages staring right back at you. Now, voice recordings. Same story. Many times, deleted audio files are tucked away in a temporary folder. By navigating through your device's native File Explorer, you could stumble upon recently deleted or temp folders where those voice recordings are chilling out, waiting to be recovered. But here's the key. Never ever try this on someone else's device without their clear permission. Always stay on the right side of the law. If you need more help, check the pinned comment and video description below. There you'll find links to real professionals who can guide you further. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and support. And stick around. Next time, I'll show you how to secure your chat so nobody else can pull these tricks on you. See you in the next one.